In today's digital age, technology has become an integral part of our lives. While we often associate technology with expenses, such as the cost of gadgets and internet access, it can also be a powerful tool for saving money. By embracing technology in various aspects of our lives, we can make informed decisions that lead to significant financial savings.
Utilize online shopping and price comparison tools.
Online shopping has revolutionized the way we purchase goods, offering convenience and access to a wider selection of products. However, it's crucial to utilize price comparison tools to ensure you're getting the best deal. Websites and apps like Google Shopping, PriceGrabber, and Camel allow you to compare prices across different retailers, ensuring you're not overspending.
Embrace online banking and bill pay.
Online banking and bill pay have become increasingly popular for their convenience and efficiency. By managing your finances online, you can save time and money on postage and bank fees. Additionally, online banking often provides features like automatic bill pay, which ensures your bills are paid on time, avoiding late fees.
Take advantage of discount websites and coupons.
Numerous websites and apps offer discounts and coupons for various products and services. Websites like Groupon, Living Social, and RetailMeNot provide a wealth of deals, while apps like Coupon Cabin and SnipSnap can help you find coupons for in-store purchases. Utilize budgeting and expense tracking apps. Budgeting and expense tracking apps help you gain control over your finances by providing a clear picture of your income, expenses, and spending habits. Apps like Mint, Personal Capital, and EveryDollar can help you create budgets, track spending, and identify areas where you can cut back. Explore free alternatives to paid services. Technology has opened a world of free alternatives to paid services, from music streaming to cloud storage. Services like Spotify, Pandora, and Amazon Music offer vast libraries of music without subscription fees. Cloud storage options like Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud provide ample space to store your files without paying for additional storage.
Embrace technology for entertainment.
Instead of spending money on expensive outings or entertainment, technology offers a plethora of free or low-cost options. Streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu provide access to a vast array of movies, TV shows, and documentaries. Additionally, libraries often offer free access to audiobooks, ebooks, and digital magazines.
Utilize technology for education and self-improvement.
Technology provides numerous opportunities for learning and self-improvement. Online courses, tutorials, and educational apps can help you acquire new skills, expand your knowledge, and advance your career, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional education. Technology, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool for saving money. By embracing online shopping, utilizing budgeting apps, exploring free alternatives, and seeking out discounts, you can significantly reduce your expenses and improve your financial well-being. Remember, technology is not just about spending. It can also be about making smart financial decisions that lead to a more prosperous future.